Hi, welcome to Professor Kev Show. Got my buddy Ryan with us from Unity Provisions. Good afternoon, my friend. Welcome to the show.
Good afternoon, Dr. Kev. It's Thank you for having me today.
I appreciate it. Hey, so jump right in. Tell us a little bit about Unity Provisions. Why'd you start it?
Well, as a child, I often experienced food insecurity myself, especially when my dad got laid off from his job. This really sparked something into me, and it made me want to join a local food pantry. That local food pantry was called Good Aid, but unfortunately, the following summer, they got closed down. And that inspired me to start Uni Provisions and advocate for food insecurity and fight for it.
It's nice, unfortunately, that you had that background, but how you've been able to turn it into something positive. So tell us about the experience. How do you go about collecting food and how do you get it to the people who need it?
Yeah, so right now we recruit students like me in their schools, and we have them start food programs in their schools, running monthly food drives. Um, and then they figure out how to allocate donations to local food banks.
That's kind of neat and stuff. So, crystal ball time, my friend. What are you hoping to accomplish? You hoping to spread this across the country?
Well, we're actually already international, so
All right,
uh,
even better.
we're in 6 different countries,
Yep.
25 branches, I believe, in Dubai, India, England, Puerto Rico, Canada, and I think that, and then Americas as well.
That's got to be
Yeah.
a really cool feeling for you, though, to know that something you thought up is literally global now.
Yeah. No, but we do have a couple other projects. Would you mind if I speak on that?
Sure, sure.
Yeah, a couple things that we're working on is a GPS program called Relief Route. So we do have a beta version that's in testing right now on our website. Basically what it does is that it maps food distribution centers that aren't traditionally mapped on Google Maps or Apple Maps, for example.
Huh?
If you search up food banks on Google Maps, churches and soup kitchens, they don't pop up most of the time because they aren't well informed on how to add themselves onto them.
Oh,
So,
that's kind of neat. You got another one?
yeah, I do.
That's so
We're
good.
I'm gonna be advocating for food insecurity at a YMCA cancer event that includes Mayor Michelle Wu, and a couple other big donors. So
Nice.
yeah,
Ryan, what's the best way for people to reach out to you? How do they learn more, my friend?
yeah, of course. Another way is reaching out to us through email. Our email is unityprovisions@gmail.com. Another way that people can apply for our program is through the website. Our website is unityprovisions.org.
Hmm.
Um, but yeah,
Ryan, I do appreciate you taking a few minutes to call into the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
thank you.